in order to make your start line box so that the transmitter fits well, I need a few measurements. I need some measurements so I can figure out these dimensions here so that your transmitter slips down on here and so you can carry it properly. It's meant to carry with your thumb here to hold down the carrying handle. So what I need is, I need the width of the inside dimension of the carrying handle. You don't have to cut a piece of cardboard, but this is just to illustrate. So the inside width of my carrying handle, 3 3/4 inches. I need the height of the handle to the top. And same thing with this piece of cardboard. From the bottom to the top is 7 3/8 inches. 7 3/8. The last thing I need is the thickness of the transmitter, front to back. I just use this square. Set my transmitter on there. You don't have to do it this way, but this is just a way to illustrate. And mark on the table. I need the thickness of the transmitter from the widest part of the back, wherever it may be. On this one, it happens to be the bottom to the front. And in this case, it's 2 9/16 inches. So on mine, I made it about a little more than 2 5/8. So I need those 3 dimensions. Inside width across the handle, the height of the from the bottom of the transmitter to the top of the handle, and then the thickness of the transmitter.